Welcome back to another quick tutorial in Alipay. And in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to fill your transfer record in your Alipay app. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are brand new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you need to do is to open up your Alipay app. The next thing you need to do is to simply click on profile icon right here. Then the next thing you need to do is to go to my transactions. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on transfer right here. Just like so. Then here you have all the transfer transaction right here. So just like what you see right here, the money you receive and the one you be sent in. So just like what you see right here, the one you receive and the one you have been sent out so far, everything is going to be found right here. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.